Dune 4WD Nomad Deluxe rooftop tent from Anaconda will quite literally take your camp setup to the next level, with its streamlined design, spacious interior, and insanely fast setup time. Once you've undone the latches, it literally sets up in a matter of seconds thanks to the hydraulic struts. So getting camp ready after a long day on the road is a hassle-free experience. Inside we find a 5cm high density foam mattress for a great night's sleep, and there's plenty of room in here for 2 people. I can't always sit up in rooftop tents, but in this model I can fully sit up on both sides of the tent without any dramas. And honestly, that makes a massive difference, whether you're trying to get changed up here or just playing a game of cards while it's bucketing down with rain outside. And to give you an idea of the length, I am 188 centimeters tall, or 6'2", and when I lie down, my feet are nowhere near touching that far wall. So we can make the most of our high vantage point. There's windows all the way around the outside of the tent, so you don't have to worry about where you park your car, you'll always get a great view. Honestly, it's so nice up here that you might never want to leave, so we'll be needing some storage areas. Up on the top there's 2 cargo organisers, one at either end, and they're perfect for your phone, wallet, keys, or anything else. And one of the coolest features of the tent is this LED strip light that runs off any USB power bank. The light is a nice warm colour and it's easily bright enough to light up the whole tent. Now, no one likes bringing their dirty shoes into the tent, so on the front we find 2 heavy-duty weatherproof storage bags to keep your shoes safe and dry, but more importantly, out of the tent. As for getting in and out, the Nomad Deluxe comes with a telescopic aluminium ladder which is strong enough to support 150 kilos and packs down to a nice compact size for easy storage. There's 2 large vents on the front to help prevent condensation and also just to provide some fresh air for the tent. Of course, you can always leave your windows open too for a bit of extra ventilation. When it's packed away, the Nomad Deluxe has a really streamlined form factor, so it won't add much to your vehicle's overall height, and as an added bonus, it won't ruin your fuel economy either. If you need some extra storage space to bring larger items away on your adventures, it also comes with 2 strong roof racks that attach to the roof of the tent. So you can easily bring along a kayak, a surfboard, or anything else you need. As for installing it, the mounting bolts slide forwards and backwards to easily line up with whatever roof rack system you have on your vehicle. If you like moving to a new campsite every night, or just want to spend less time setting up camp and more time enjoying your trips, then the Dune 4WD Nomad Deluxe is a great choice for you. Head into your local Anaconda store to order one, or check them out on the Anaconda website.